Hello guys, welcome to another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beat color change like this on Filmora X. So let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already imported my file. First of all, drag your music into timeline and find music beat. Listen carefully and find your beat. After finding beat, mark all beat by click this marker button or pressing M button for marker. In this process, add all marker in beat part. After that, add your video into timeline. You can choose any video, but for tutorial purpose, I choose this anime video. After that, go effects and go shake and add mild effect. Add mild effect into upper track like this. As you can see, now our video is moving. Then go sample colors and add any color into first marker and adjust color with next marker. Then add second color and adjust with next marker. Add next and adjust like previous. In this way, add all color according to your marker. After that, double click on color and go compositing. Change compositing to soft light. Then right click on this and copy this color effect and paste on other color. Then again paste on next color and again paste on next color. In this way, paste on all color. Then again go effects and go shake. Add up down 2 shake into upper track. Go 5 frame later and split this and delete extra part. Double click on this and set frequency to 300. Then copy this shake effect and paste on every beat like this. Render frame and check preview. Okay, let's check our final preview.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place.
So as you can see, our effect is done. So let's export this.
I'm on my last straw.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial, and also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
This faulty